Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. I got a little bit more painting to do on this. I showed this in one of the other earlier videos. Like, I had brick missing on this. We put that light up and I had to do a mortar repair around the light. I had a mortar repair and the corners were all missing. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up there and I'm going to put some kind of a sealant on that concrete, and because the water is coming through and it's getting into the brick, it's popping all the brick faces. So I went and I patched all the bricks that were missing. I mean, and it looked kind of sloppy, so I matched the paint. Well, Lowe's matched the paint to one of the pieces of brick. And this is what we came up with, and I got a coat of paint on all this, and I had a little bit left right here. It started raining or something and I bailed out of here, so I'm going to get this done before they get started on something else. I got a furnace to put in actually down the road, and it's an old gravity furnace. So I'm going to use this as a straight edge. Got me some water. My brush has been soaking in a little bit of water. Siggies. A little straight edge so we don't hit it. Here's a little tip. When your brush is wet, put your toe up. See my toe like this. It's ready to go. Not so much inside painting, but outside painting, A+. I got keys to get off my neck here, and we can start. next time I come here, I don't have any with me, but I want to get a bunch of zip straps and zip these all together nice and tight like they are. And I have two little clips I want to hang it, like that nodule right there is a clip, and that nodule right there is a clip. And I'm going to hang that up so it's not so boogery. And like I said, I'm going to get up there and probably like tar that concrete. It has two cracks in it, if you can see where I made these patches, like here and here underneath that lip and on the face, and as far up as I could reach. But I actually have to get up there, and I'm going to take this antenna down at the same time, scrape the roof of that, hit it with some tar, parging and tarring. And actually in between, when you go into this room, in between here and the building, you could see up, like this is separated and it needs like a curb. And I don't know if you can see where I wrap these windows. I put one of these huggers and I cut into the mortar joint, and it tucks in there 3/4 of an inch. I want to do the same thing all the way across the top of that. If I could get back far enough to see it, but across from there to there, and maybe in front of this chimney here. I don't know, it looks better than it did. It was missing shit, and it was just going to keep deteriorating and crumbling, and kind of a preventative maintenance situation. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like and subscribe. Choo-choo!